How to make a video call on IMO. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a video call on IMO. So stay tuned until the end to learn all the steps, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also tap the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we post a new video. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the IMO app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in to your account. And now once you are on the main chat screen, simply select the contact that you want to call. And once the conversation window opens, simply look for the video call icon at the top right corner and tap on video call icon, and once the other person answers, you will be connected. And to end the call, you can simply tap on red button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can make a video call on IMO. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.